Hello everyone, it's Emilia here. Join me today while I create beautiful exploding box. This is a birthday box with another little box inside for a little gift. I will be using Memories, a paper collection from Lemoncraft. It has beautiful dark red, brown colors. Very beautiful. Lots of lovely patterns, elements for cutting out, and these are the colors which my sister likes very much, and the box I'm creating for her. I know she will love it. I'm using a press cord base for the exploding box. You can create the base on your own. I buy the bases, so it's much easier and quicker. So to start, I will adhere the paper for the outside of my box, and then for the inside. The box is 10 by 10 centimeters. Each paper is 9.6 by 9.6. So I'm leaving a little border, like 2 millimeters on each side. I used beautiful flowery paper for the outside of the box. Inside I have beige papers because I'm going to build the composition on each side of the box. You can see I already prepared 4 little compositions. This will go on the sides of my box, as in the center will be another smaller box. Each side of the box will be embellished with different elements which are fussy cut out of the paper collection, some die cuts. I have pieces of lace, few flowers, little elements which can be put in that small area. So look for the elements in similar colors and with different texture. I like to create small compositions, but if you find it challenging, look at my other videos. I have few videos for exploding boxes on my channel, different themes, different colors. You can maybe find some ideas there. Before putting the lid all together, I'm attaching the pattern paper to it. This is much easier for me. Then I will glue the sides and then I will decorate it. To embellish the lid, I'm going to use few Formuran flowers. I also have a chipboard frame, die-cut leaves, some ribbon, few metal elements, and also a very small wooden heart. So I'm going to add that to the lid. The bigger metal element and the wooden heart will go on one of the sides. So I just had an idea to thread the twine through that metal element and just to go around with it. I had to do it off the camera because it was so tricky, but you will see that I just secured the twine on both sides of the metal element and then cover the knot with the small wooden heart. To finish off the project, I'm going to add some sequins, micro beads, glitter. Those tiny elements add a lot to the project, so this final step is important to me. And then I will also add splats of white acrylic paint mixed with water. I use very small brush to create small splats. You may practice a little bit before doing straight away on your project if you haven't tried it before. And then actually this will be it. So I want to thank you very, very much for joining me today and for watching my videos and also for commenting. Thanks a lot for that. And if you will create something inspired by my video, please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan. I am always super happy to see your projects. And then, I have a chance to comment, send you my love. Thank you very, very much for watching and have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.